Add-ins are features that you can add to PowerPoint. These add-ins help you perform tasks in one click and increase your productivity. It helps to quickly and easily access any information from the internet. With an add-in, you can search for any desired content or add an online image without leaving the presentation. As you will be using the internet to include various add-ins, it is important to use add-in security settings. To set an add-in security, click File and then Options. Select Trust Center and then click Trust Center Settings. Now select Add-ins and choose the relevant option. First, let us get an add-in. Under the Add-ins group, click Get Add-ins. The Office Add-ins window has various add-in categories to choose from. Select the desired add-in or type the name in the search box and then click Add. And click Got it if it appears. You can see a new option gets added as a separate group under the Insert tab. This add-in provides different icon images that you can use in your presentation. Click the icons by Noun Project command from the new group. The Noun Project pane opens on the right. Now, enter the type of icon you wish to insert and search results will appear. You can see the list of icons. Click the desired icon and click on Insert icon. The same will be added to the presentation. You can format the image using different commands from the Format tab. Now, again click the Insert tab. From this tab, click the My Add-ins command from the Add-ins group. You can see Icons by Noun Project is added to the add-ins list. The Admin Managed option consists of the list of add-ins managed by the administrator. To get more add-ins, click Get Add-ins. Click the My Add-ins command down arrow. Use the See All option to view all add-ins. Use Manage Other Add-ins options to manage these add-ins. You can also remove the add-in that you have added. Go to the tab where it is added and then the group where the add-in is included. Then right-click and select Remove Add-in option and choose Yes.